I got left are a couple of voicemails, and that big ass mirror that you got me for my own. Was gonna throw it out too, but then the wall would be empty. When I look at it sometimes I see you, but I'm making dinner for one, drinking whiskey for fun on the weekends. Kiss the boy that kisses way better than you. Don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but I'm getting back in my body. After 2 years of giving it to you. Some days I wish we were good, but I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope that our lives don't cross paths. It's better off like that. Yeah, I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope the past stays in the past. It's better off like that.
Well, this is where the cycle path crosses the road, and according to my drone, this should be the bridge. Wow! Look at that. Gorgeous. Really old by the looks of it. Hopefully now get a really good shot of this railway. So that's beautiful. And the train's going to come out of that tunnel in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25, 1. Still waiting for this train. Thank God it's breezy. It's beautiful day. Look at that sun. Oof. Getting those mountains up there. Okay guys, so the light behind me, which you can't see, is on green, which means there'll be a train coming from that direction. So we're going to catch it, come through the tunnel. We're going to go on to landscape, so we'll get a better view and watch it coming right through. Not that train to excite me, just the train. Oh, train, where's my train? There's my train, there's my train. There's a train coming, guys. Flip the camera. Now, looking up to this, the water treatment plant. I've got a few shots of this of the air, which I will put on to this video. There you go. I know my videos are drone related, guys, but it was nice just to have a look at the bridge and that. Take my phone with me. Don't want to be, me GoPro 12 or whatever it's called, phone. So yeah, that was nice. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you soon. Bye.
Cause if I'm being honest, when I go to the grocery store, I worry that I'ma turn that corner, run right into you. It would take me all the way back, rewind the good I'm feeling, back to the start of getting over you. Some days I wish we were good. Some days I wish we were good. But I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope that our lives don't cross paths. It's better off like that. Yeah, I'ma go on with my life, you go on with your life, and I hope the past stays in the past.